project. My problem that I'm trying to solve is that there are no seatbelts on school buses, and I have made a system to simulate how that could be fixed. So on this side of the chair, I have a switch to signify when a student or anyone riding the bus is to sit down. On this side, there's a switch to represent when they buckle up. And on this, the board here, there's an LED, a toggle switch, and the shapes are in the line out of the bus. And for this system, I only have done one just to get the point across. This board would be located up front by the driver, and giving the color of the LED, the driver will know what is going on at that seat. The board, when the student is to sit down, will indicate red. This means that there is someone sitting in that chair, but they do not have a seatbelt on. When they do finally buckle their seatbelt on, it will show green. Now, let's say that you have someone who just doesn't want to wear a seatbelt and they try getting around it by putting it on first. Well, in that situation, the orange light will flash and the bus driver will know, hey, there's a situation, someone in this chair is not wanting to put on their seatbelt properly, and you should probably go investigate. Also up front on the board, there's this toggle switch. Let's say that the bus driver is transporting kids or students or whoever on an overnight trip, and they're using seats as storage. Well, regularly, when a seat is depressed, it will show red. However, bus driver doesn't want this to happen, because in theory, before the bus rolls, everything should either be green or off. So he can bypass the system by flipping on the toggle switch. The engineering that I used was mechanical, cyber, and some electrical. Mechanical, I needed to figure out a way how to rig up these switches on this chair that wouldn't permanently mess up the chair. I also had to think of a nice and small compact way on how to represent the data to the driver. So my idea was to come up with this board to do that. Cyber and electrical was used for knowing how to build the circuit, making sure it works properly, as well as programming the Arduino itself. So in conclusion, my project is to try to implement seatbelts on school buses using this system of when someone sits down it's red, when they buckle up it's green, and if they try to buckle up before sitting down, they'll flash orange. I believe that this will help significantly save lives, because if you pay attention to the news nowadays, there are a lot more wrecks on school buses, and a lot of the times it's when they're traveling kids. So hopefully this will increase chances of living through an accident if that was happening on a school bus.